You said you called us for a purpose. What is it?
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Hi everyone, my name's Connor McDonald. I'm a developer advocate for Oracle Database.
And the clock starts now.
If I pick up a book like this, it's a 1001 Inventions that changed the world. Now, it doesn't really matter in what order the 1001 inventions are placed. Maybe some are more significant to me, the wheel, electricity, etc., video cameras, but the reality is it doesn't really matter the order. However, if I want to find a particular invention, then obviously I need an index, and the index must be stored in order, otherwise it's no good to me. And that's one of the challenges when you're inserting data into a table at a very rapid rate. You can pretty much throw inventions into this book very quickly. They can go anywhere in the book, and it's the same with table data. It can be scattered anywhere in available blocks. That makes it very efficient to do so. I don't have to go hunting for particular blocks. But of course, the index entries that back up that table data, they need to be stored in order. What that means is if you have an ascending index like this one, it's in alphabetical order, or a sequence number or transaction date, any kind of index information that's stored in a logically ascending order, what tends to happen is those index blocks at the very foremost or front or right-hand side of the index can be a cause of contention because lots and lots of sessions are aggressively tackling a very small set of blocks. The workaround is simple, a global hash partition index. This creates multiple logical sub-indexes of that same basic index, and that way you have more than one front edge of an index block, one per each partition. Common hash partitions would be 4, 8, 16, or even 32 hash partitions. It's a great way of spreading the load across multiple blocks rather than contending for a common small set of blocks. Global hash partition indexes, think about them if you're having index contention.
Was that a good tip?
This is like a dream I've had.
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.